Keyword Research 101. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do keyword research on YouTube so you can start getting more views by ranking your videos in YouTube search. Let's jump onto the laptop and let me show you how we can get started with keyword research. The first free keyword tool that I'm going to show you how to use is YouTube Autosuggest. This is such an amazing tool because YouTube actually lets you know what people are searching for right now. It's the most up-to-date information that you're going to get on search. In order to start using YouTube Autosuggest, head over to the YouTube homepage and then start typing in the keyword that you want to have a look at and hit a space bar. They're going to give us a whole lot of suggestions as to what people are currently searching on YouTube. Now, if you select one of the options that it has suggested for you, it's going to give you the current search results. And then we can go back into the search bar, hit that space bar, and it's going to refresh the results that it's giving us. It's going to give you an even longer tail keyword. Now, what is a longer tail keyword? So it's much more specific on what the person is searching for. Now, this is what we really want to do when we're first starting out with keyword research. We want to find super specific topics that we can create videos on. Why is it so good to create videos on long tail keywords? Because long tail keywords reduce the competition. It gives you a better chance of ranking higher in search for that specific term because less YouTube creators are actually creating videos for those longer tail keywords. So we always want to reverse engineer our keyword researches, understanding what kind of topics we like to create videos on as creators, and then creating and crafting videos for a specific long tail key phrase. So let's look at the next suggestion in YouTube Autosuggest: how to start a YouTube channel on your phone. You can see YouTube is now deciding what are the best results for this specific search query. So there's Gillian Perkins, there's Justin Brown, and then we're in third place there on how to start a YouTube channel on your phone. So you can see that Keyword Research 101 actually works, and we're currently implementing it on our YouTube channel. We are a small YouTube channel in comparison to the other big boys out there. Justin Brown's got 800,000 subscribers and Gillian's got nearly 500,000 subscribers. So for us to be able to rank high for a specific search query like that next to big creators just shows you how powerful keyword research is if you implement it properly. And that's what I want for you on your YouTube channel. I want you to start ranking for specific keywords that you learn how to find in this video, and it's going to allow you to start getting more views on your videos and start growing your YouTube channel. Now, the next thing I want to talk to you about is an amazing keyword research tool called TubeBuddy. If you look on the right-hand side of our screen, the Search Explorer from TubeBuddy is going to give you a whole lot of data about the specific search query that we've typed into YouTube. Now, this is a plugin, and if you want to learn how to install this plugin and sign up for a free TubeBuddy account, click the link in the description down below, and it's really easy to follow through. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to create your free TubeBuddy account, you can watch our video here where we walk you through the process. Once you've got the free TubeBuddy account and the Chrome extension on your computer, you're going to get all of these keyword scores, which shows you the search volume for that specific query, the searches per month, the competition for that query, and it's going to give you an overall score. This overall score is 35 out of 100, which is fair. Now, we want to get you to the green zone. When you're a new creator, you really need to reduce the competition for that specific query so that you have a much better chance of ranking higher in YouTube search. Let me show you another example where the competition is nice and low. So here's another really good example: how to enable custom thumbnails on YouTube in 2021. Now you can have a look at the competition score. It's in that green zone, exactly where we want to be. And the overall score is very good. That's a 66 out of 100, which is a really nice score for you to be able to create a video about. And you can see our video that we created 1 month ago is ranking number 1 for this search query. And an older video that we created 7 months ago is ranking number 3. So what we're teaching here really works, and we have proof that it's currently working on YouTube. So I really want you to try it out. Start using that YouTube Autosuggest, get that TubeBuddy free account, and start using the Search Explorer. The other tool that's really cool with TubeBuddy is the Keyword Explorer. If we head up to the top right, the the TubeBuddy hamburger menu, click on there, and the first section under the tools is the Keyword Explorer. So let's launch that Keyword Explorer, and I'm going to show you how it works. If we type in a short keyword phrase like custom thumbnails, it's going to give us an overall score, the search volume, the competition, and the optimization strength for your channel. So this is a really cool feature to see how good the video is for your specific topic on your channel. And the best part about this tool, if you head over to the right-hand side and go to video topics, it's going to give you video topics around the keyword that you have just searched for. And what I really like about this, it gives you really good long tail keywords that actually reduce the competition and give you a better video topic to create a video about. So if I click on one of these video topics, let's have a look at the competition and the search volume for that specific query. So the score has gone to good, the overall score 58 out of 100, search volume is good, and competition strength is good. We're in the yellow there, so we're nearly in that green zone that we are looking for. Let's head over and see if it can give us any more suggestions. So there's how to make a custom thumbnail on YouTube Studio. So let's see if that reduces the competition. So the search volume is much higher for this specific search query, but the competition is actually a little bit harder to compete for. So then all you need to do if you want to go back one is head down to the bottom here and it shows your recent searches. And you can just hit the last one and it'll take you back to your search query. Now for those of you still watching this video, I want to reward you for watching the video all the way up till now by giving you a power tip. A way for you to look at your competitors and see what keyword tags they are using on their videos so that you can see what keyword tags are getting them all their views on their videos. So what we can do is head into the video. So I want you to search the specific search query that you're thinking of making your video on. And then click on the video that's ranking number 1. This is the one that's going to be getting the most views and the most clicks for that specific search query. And all we're going to do is scroll down the right-hand side till we see the TubeBuddy Video Analytics tab. Now this is an additional feature of an amazing TubeBuddy keyword tool. And all we're going to do is head down to the tags, and we can even show the search ranking for those specific search tags so you can see where this creator is getting all the views from. And then all you can do is choose which of these keywords you want to use on your video to start getting more views. So all you need to do is click copy to, and then you can choose which of these tags are actually relevant for the video you want to create. So you can remove the ones that aren't relevant. Once you're happy, go copy to clipboard. And then all I want you to do is head into the video that you want to add these tags to. So we're going to head into YouTube Studio, head to the left-hand side, click on your content, head to the video that you want to add those tags to by clicking on that pencil icon. We're going to scroll down below the description to the tags section, and all you do is you paste the tags that you've just copied from the TubeBuddy tool right here. I hope you enjoyed that ultimate tutorial on Keyword Research 101. If you have any questions or queries, or you want to learn something more about keyword research, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll create a video on that topic just for you. And if you want to learn something new about YouTube and start growing your channel right now, you can watch our next video right here. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.